we now have Optrel helmets. I absolutely adore this helmet. It's fabulous. One of the most important things about any Optrel hood that people just don't talk about, the value that they add is they don't add a whole bunch of excess weight. It's a very light, agile helmet. In the field, you forget that you have this thing on. It's fabulous, it's wonderful. Clarity, the vision that you have, you know, this light state at 2.5, you can walk around the shop with your hood down all day long and still be able to find your way. It's all good. It also has a great little grind mode feature like almost all the other helmets out there in the field. What's nice about this one is you got your gloves on, it's still very receptive to it. Has a nice little indicator light inside, so when you are in grind mode, you get a nice little red light that beeps on. So you do know the whole time that you're grinding, oh, I shouldn't be welding. When you're done grinding, you can go again, reach up, hit the button, disengages the grind mode, and you can start welding again. Good as gold. But another awesome feature is the sensitivity feature on the Optrel Vegaview 2.5. So if you're outside, you got a whole bunch of backlight or whatnot, you can easily go over here to this nice little knob and you can adjust it for the sensitivity. It might take a couple times, a couple arc starts to to dial it in, but to have that capability is huge, especially if you're out in the field. It also has the true color view, so when you look through it, it's true color. I mean, you can see it and you can actually be able to pick out other colors, So that is a very, very strong feature for this hood. So I want to take a couple minutes to really talk about the value that is kind of hidden within the, within the Optrel helmet line. Almost all of them, one thing that is extra special about them is their weight. Average weight on one of the Optrel helmets is about 17 ounces. That's huge, that's a big difference. When you're out in the field all day with that helmet on your head, that can really play a part to different, neck aches and pains when you get home at night. Optrel, they really, really answered the call. So there's many features to this hood that I could talk about, but it speaks for itself.